Discover how you can establish the baseline for reducing energy costs at your company with WAGO. From measuring, converting, and evaluating up through visualization, WAGO offers the right products for every step in energy management. Install the appropriate current transformers to record your measurement values. Subsequently, measured values may be evaluated or converted. In the next step, use the WAGO-I Check software or the interface configuration tool from WAGO to visualize your data. This allows you to determine consumption in a targeted way and to adopt measures for energy savings based on your information. Together with our partners and our technical sales department, we can assemble a suitable solution that provides efficient, convenient, and economic energy management for your company across almost every sector.